So NABARD grade A notification is released. Your exam will be on 20th of December 2025, right? So on an average, you are having nearly 30 days to cover your complete syllabus. So do you think that it is possible for you to revise all the portions in a very well manner before your examination? Yeah. So most of the aspirants who had started their preparation from the mid of 2025, they know that they had the good number of days to cover all the syllabus. But the students who started their preparation in October or November 2025, they have the limited number of days. So in this particular video, I'm going to tell you what are the important portions from your ARD portion that you have to revise n number of times before going for the examination. Yeah. So first topic is animal husbandry and poultry farming. There will be definitely 1 or 2 questions from animal husbandry and poultry farming in your examination. Another topic is your agronomy. Like in every exam, we are observing the question related to the scientific name of specific species or the family of specific species, so you cannot miss this topic. Another topic is agroforestry. So we are observing in our phase 1 examination, most of the time we are having the questions related to the components of agroforestry, so this topic is also very important. Another one is agricultural extension education. So this is also a very important topic. And another topic is irrigation and some miscellaneous headings. So you can get to know like what topics you have to focus for your static ARD portion and what topic you should skip, or you can say that limited number of revisions can help you to cover. So for all these things you have to cover, you have to revise the previous year questions to get a better idea of the types of questions from the different portions that can be asked in your examination. And still you have any query, you can drop your queries in the comment box. Thank you so much and all the very best.